What's up YouTube? How are you doing today? Chana D or Techno Dad here, and in today's video we're going to be checking out the LG UBK90, LG's brand new 4K ultra high definition Blu-ray player for 2018. We're going to get into it right after the jump. And I'm back. Now if you're new to the channel and you want to learn about 4K, home theater and audio products and how to set them up properly, you should consider subscribing because I'm here to help. And don't forget to hit that bell so you get notified when I do a live stream and answer your questions or when the next video gets released. Well, now that housekeeping's out of the way, let's get into it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so today we're taking a look at the LG UBK90. Now this is a 4K ultra high definition Blu-ray player that supports Dolby Vision and it is retailing for $300. Now if Dolby Vision isn't for you, or you don't have a TV that supports Dolby Vision, or you don't really care about it at all, I think LG went ahead and did an awesome thing, and they also released the UBK80. It's the same player as the UBK90, however it does not have Dolby Vision support and it is $100 less. So that's coming in at $200. Wow, good job LG, good thinking. So I'll have both of the links down in the description for those players. Enough talking, let's go see what's in the box and check it out. What's up everybody? Just had to bump in on the video here and disrupt everything for a little bit, so I shot this guerrilla style. I just want to let you guys know I did buy this UBK90 from Best Buy for $2.99, and I forgot to tell you guys, it comes with a free Harmony 665 remote. This is valued at like 50 bucks, so you know, if you're looking at the Sony X700 at $249, this is $2.99 and it comes with a remote from Best Buy. Okay, cool. Now one of the things I noticed on the box straight away is that this does have the Ultra HD Premium insignia, and on the side it does say MKV player. Now I know I've been getting questions from a lot of people asking, hey, does this 4K Blu-ray player play MKV files that have Dolby Atmos in it? And I would usually say, I have no idea, send me a file so I can check it out, and nobody has. So hopefully I can find some for the review of this player, because that would be a really cool feature to have. Now what we get in the box is pretty bare, as goes pretty much every 4K Blu-ray player at this price point. You get a little pamphlet with literature, single AAA battery for the remote, and of course the remote. Now the remote is actually impressive for a player at this price point. Usually it's just 4 or 5 buttons, but you get the full numpad and more buttons for all the features of this player. Good job there, LG. Now in comparing this player to the UP970, this thing is identical, except for the top of the unit has this textured plastic to it. It's kind of cool, kind of sets it apart, but otherwise it looks identical to the UP970. Now from left to right on the front panel we have the disc tray. Then moving over a little we have your open button, some basic transport controls and a power button, and on the far right we have a USB port. Now on the back we have 2 HDMI outputs, a digital optical output, and an Ethernet port for wired internet. So that's pretty much it as far as what you get in the box and what the player has with it. So let's go do a first turn on. So when we first turn it on, we're greeted with the home screen, which pretty much is exactly the same as last year's home screen in the UP970. What you're gonna wanna do is first go to settings, then go to others, software, and update, just so you can have the most updated firmware in the unit. Once the download and all that is done, you're good to go. Now I know a lot of times these new players, you always have to do a setting for Dolby Atmos in the audio or whatever. That was last year. This year you do not need to do any of that. You're good to go straight away, Dolby Atmos, without making any settings changes in the player at all. I quickly went into the Netflix app and I get a Dolby Vision insignia already, so that's good to go. And I went into the YouTube app, checked out stuff on the HDR channel, and we do get HLG HDR through the player's YouTube app, so that's good. I also tossed in the Martian 4K UHD disc and got HDR10 So this player does support all 3 formats, so you're good to go. You got double Dolby right out of the box. So far it's the only player 2018 that can do that. Alright everybody, wasn't that cool? I thought it was pretty cool. So pretty much this is my first video unboxing and first impression. I gotta say, you know, it's $50 more than the Sony, but you get Dolby Vision out of the box, and that's still something that the Sony X700 can't do. So could this UBK90 be the best budget 4K Blu-ray player of 2018? We don't know yet. It's still too early. So come back in a couple of months and I should have a review. Also, don't forget to put your questions down in the comments and let me know what you would like me to test. If you like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, you can also follow me there and ask me questions about this player on whichever social media platform you like to use the most. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Go ahead and smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel using the button in the middle of your screen. Once again, my name is Techno Dad. I'm your Techno Dad, and I'll see you next time.